Hello and welcome to another video of Eternal Gains. This is the channel where I show you how to grow your stack in the best possible way and how to stay ahead of the curve. Today we have something extremely exciting. We're gonna conquer Polymarket. Forget everything you know about copy trading. Today I'm showing you the God mode setup for prediction markets. We've got Manus.ai right here, the world's most advanced general agent, and we got supercharged with our OpenClawCash Skill. This allows Manus to research, decide, and execute trades on Polymarket autonomously, while OpenClawCash API keeps the actual wallet execution secure. Let's dive in. The first thing we're going to need is the skill. How you get the skill? You come over here, you come to Agent Skill file, you download the file, which will download a zip file. Then you come to Manus or any other agent which supports skills, manage skill, add skill, upload skill, and you just upload the zip file what you downloaded from here. That's it, simple as that. And then you will see your skill appear here. I already installed it, so we can just get it going. Now the magic happens because of this integration. Manus lives in the sandbox, but installing the OpenClawCash skill provides it with an API key with an access and securely bridges to the blockchain. We aren't just asking it for reports, we're giving it the power to act. Watch this. I'll give it this prompt which I already prepared. I will share this in the description so you guys can just copy it. Now you come to your dashboard. If you haven't already signed up to this platform, just sign up. Come to API keys, create a new key. We call this Poly Trader. Now important is this part. We need to give it trade and read. So this allows the key to access our venue, which we set up already. If you haven't seen, if you don't know how to do that, check out my last video. I go step by step. Next thing is the wallet scope. Let's take the Polymarket signer, generate the key. Now we copy the key, we add the key here. So what have I done now? I gave Manus access to the integration here on OpenClawCash. As you can see, we have venues here. I already connected my Polymarket wallet to this platform. We are good to go. Watch this. Ask Manus to scan Polymarket for mispriced events, cross-reference them with real-time news, and use OpenClawCash Skill to execute the best traded finds. It's doing hours of research and execution in seconds. Now we are watching the thinking process of Manus here. Manus is now browsing the web, finding the alpha, and now look at this. It's loading the skill. Here is why this is pro level. It signs the transactions on Polygon network without ever exposing your full private keys to the cloud environment. We get the speed of AI agents with the security of an enterprise gateway. No human clicks, total control, pure agentic finance. Manus is doing its work. It's doing research, finding us the best trades, the alpha on Polymarket. At the moment, as you can see, we do not have any open positions. The beauty about this setup is now we're given Manus the ability to trade on our behalf, and we still keep everything secure. One word to the security. We have policies on this platform. So for every wallet that we have in OpenClawCash, we can add policies. Let's add a policy for this Polymarket signer. Now we have different policies we could apply. In our case, what is important, we can define a max amount per transfer. So whatever Manus is trying to do, we can limit it with the API key to only a certain amount per transfer or per trade in this case. Or we could set a daily spending limit. The agent using the API key cannot spend more than this defined amount per day. Manus is still doing its research. I will let it run and come back when it's done. Checking back in, you see our Manus is already working for about 4 minutes. Right now it's using the browser, we can even check this out. It is checking for the news, it is doing everything by itself, and we just gave it the prompt. Manus is doing all the research now, and we can do something else, have a coffee. Manus is going really thoroughly here, doing a big research. It's already working for 7 minutes. I will speed it up a little bit. Obviously, you can do this as intense as you wish. There it is, boys. We just captured alpha in a fully autonomous way with Manus.ai and OpenClawCash Skill. Create a 24/7 money-making machine, while other traders are still reading the news. If you want to know more, or if you want to install the skill, head over to OpenClawCash.com, install the skill. If you need any help or have any question, just hit me up. I'm out.